Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Amega. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Amega is a true straight-through processing broker and licensed investment dealer that offers flexible beginner-friendly accounts and competitive trading conditions on a wide range of instruments. Amega is regulated by the FSC, or Mauritius Financial Services Commission, and this broker is a popular choice for hedging, scalping, copy trading, and robot trading. As a client, you can earn cashback on your trades by joining the Amega loyalty program, which makes it an excellent choice for active traders. If you are new to trading or trading on a budget, a minimum deposit of only $20 is required to open a live account. However, you can also practice on a demo account until you are ready to make your first deposit. Amega offers competitive conditions for trading CFDs, and this broker's accounts are suitable for all styles of trading, with no restrictions on the strategies you can use. As a client, you can trade on MetaTrader 5, and you will have access to 24-hour customer support, commission-free trading, and plenty of resources for analysis and research. Amega offers a wide range of Forex, shares, indices, metals, energies, and commodities. The typical spreads offered start from as low as 0.8 pips, and Amega implements a zero commission trading policy, meaning that no commissions are charged for your trades. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 1,000 when trading with Amega. If you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you will be exposing yourself to far greater financial risks, and to do so with caution. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with Amega, hover your cursor over the Markets tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down menu, or visit the Help Center. If you require any assistance, you can reach the Amega customer support team via email and live chat. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you will find direct contact details on the Contact Us page. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting the Help Center for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you need assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. Amega offers a volume-based, scalable cashback reward, and it is an excellent choice for active traders. You can get $5 back from Amega for each lot you trade, and this reward is available to all Amega clients. Amega provides a sophisticated, user-friendly website with a simplistic design that makes it easy to navigate. You will find all the information you need by using the menu bar or the menus at the bottom of the page. The homepage highlights some of the perks of trading with this broker, such as promotional offers, the variety of instruments offered, and all the payment methods that are supported. If you are looking for trading insights, trading signals, helpful tips, or any other resources, you can choose an option from the Analysis tab. At the bottom of the homepage, you will find direct links to legal documentation, policies, as well as terms and conditions. We always recommend reading through the terms and conditions before you make your first official deposit if you do decide to join any broker. As an Amega client, you can use the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010, and it has many advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading functionality, and much more. This platform can be downloaded for free from the official MetaTrader website, and is beginner-friendly and suitable for all styles of trading. as well as automated trading and hedging. The MetaTrader platforms offer a high level of customizability and security, and are also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. Overall, you will have access to more than 38 technical indicators, customizable charts, multiple order types, and a variety of drawing tools. MetaTrader 5 can be viewed in more than 20 international languages, and it can also be used for expert advisor trading and backtesting strategies. This platform can be downloaded for free from this broker's website, Google Play, or the official MetaTrader websites. You will be able to use MetaTrader 5 on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. And if you would prefer not to download any software, you can simply use the web trader. To learn more about the features of MetaTrader 5, hover your cursor over the Services tab and click on MetaTrader 5 for a full list of features and direct download links. There are two types of accounts that you can open with Amega, which are the Live account and the Live Max account. And this broker also offers a demo account. The standard Live account is beginner-friendly, and both accounts have negative balance protection, and can be used for netting, hedging, scalping, and expert advisor trading. These accounts share many similarities. However, the Live Max account is designed for Amega's partners and anyone interested in trading crypto CFDs or funding their trading account using cryptocurrencies. If you are new to trading, then we would recommend practicing on a demo account first until you have a solid understanding of how trading works, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. Creating an account with Amega will only take a few minutes, and the account creation process is free. You can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the Amega homepage, and then click on the Sign Up button. Complete the online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address. And then you can log into the client portal. Once within the client portal, you can open live accounts or create a demo account. No documents will be required when using a demo account. However, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have access to all the account features. After your account has been verified and approved, or you have created your demo account, the next step would be to download the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install MetaTrader 5, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with Amega. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading or new to the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, you can find a wide variety of educational content online or over on the official MetaTrader website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. A minimum deposit of $20 is required to open an account with Amega, and no deposit fees are charged when you fund your account. You can make a secure deposit using Perfect Money, Stick Pay, Prompt Pay, and bank transfers, and withdrawals can be used using any of the supported deposit methods, and fees are calculated at a percentage of the amount you are withdrawing. As a trader or investor, having access to educational resources Research material and economic data is a key factor of success. Amega provides in-depth market forecasts and technical analysis reports. So we recommend bookmarking these pages and checking them often to see what's driving the markets. You can also use the economic calendar to get fundamental insights into global employment data, retail markets, and consumer price indexes. Economic activities, GDP levels, changes in monetary policies, and updates on major events in over 70 central banks around the world. If you are new to trading, we would recommend reading through the introductory guide and visiting the Help Center to learn the basics of trading and using the MetaTrader 5 platform. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies, and trading different instruments at your own pace while you practice on your free demo account. So there's nothing to lose if you aren't using any real money. Overall, Amega offers competitive trading conditions for all styles of trading, and this broker does not place any restrictions on the trading strategies you can use. For as little as $20 you can start building your portfolio and enjoy cashback rewards on your trades. One of the major advantages of trading with Amega is the loyalty program. So if you trade in high volumes, then this might be the right broker for you. Amega seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile, so be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We always recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of Amega. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.